Imagine starting your day soaking in a hot tub, surrounded by breathtaking mountain views. Or picture afternoons spent grilling with friends on a spacious deck, taking in sweeping panoramic scenery. This peaceful mountain retreat offers the perfect blend of privacy, beauty, and opportunity. Just minutes from Western Carolina University and the historic Juduculla Rock, North Carolina's only petroglyph. With unrestricted land, you have the freedom to garden, farm, or simply enjoy the natural setting. The community is known for its quiet solitude, the bold flow of Caney Fork Creek, and a picturesque valley that instantly makes you feel away from it all. Even the drive home feels like a daily escape. Inside, thoughtful improvements add flexibility and value. A finished basement with a full bath is perfect for guest overflow, a studio, or a workshop. A new roof was installed in 2025, which adds peace of mind. Outdoor adventure is everywhere. Nearby lakes like Cedar Creek, Bear Lake, Wolf Lake, and Lake Glenville offer fishing, skiing, and more. The Tuckasegee River provides expert-level kayaking during dam releases, while the surrounding Nantahala National Forest invites hiking and mountain biking. Whether you're seeking a full-time mountain lifestyle, a peaceful getaway, or income potential as a vacation rental, this property lets you choose how you live. Ask your broker to see it now and start living the mountain life you've been dreaming of.